there was just a 7.1 magnitude earthquake in the same spot that there was one 2 days ago.
Yeah, July 3rd.
So
First one was a 6.6. This one was a 7.1. It's like northeast Ridgefield. It's like south of Death Valley, I think.
Yeah, it's like
California geography's not great.
yeah. We were on Splash Mountain when it happened, so that we couldn't feel it because everything was rocking as it was. But then everyone in like the logs in front of us and behind us were like, "Was that an earthquake?" And then sure enough, we get off and they've closed everything because they have to check. All the rides are closed. It's July 5th. It's 8:40 right now. Every single ride is shut down because they have, once an earthquake happens, they have to go through and shut it all down and then check to make sure it's okay. The park is chaos right now.
Lots of people are heading for the exits, however, so that might be a plus for us.
Yeah, that's a good thing. We're just waiting for fireworks. Disneyland Forever starts at 9:30, and since we can't go on any rides, I guess we're just kind of gonna stake out a spot and just wait.
If they still happen.
Yeah, we're kind of worried that they won't happen because of the earthquake, but I don't know if they ran on July 3rd.
It probably did, because I think it was a different show for the 4th of July. They sometimes do a July 3rd, 4th of July pre-show type thing.
Look at all the people leaving.
There's a lot of people leaving, because if the attractions aren't open, then why would you stay?
half the
Question mark.
people are freaked out.